Hi, my name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. We're going to be going to question 105 of the top 200 Social Security disability questions. Jeez, it is getting late and I am tired. So talk to me about cleaning. Do you clean the inside areas of your home? Ooh, good question. You usually won't be asked this question. Usually it'll come out, you ever clean your house? Oh, yeah. Do a little here, do a little there, a little mopping, a little vacuuming. So talking about cleaning the inside, we're splitting it up, inside areas of your home. So now we're talking about dusting, we're talking about vacuuming, we're talking about rolling carpets, we're talking about beating pillows, we're talking about windowsills, we're talking about all those different functions, okay? This is where you go into the difficulties that you have with standing, walking, pushing, pulling, crouching, stooping, kneeling, hand, are you able to hold things? Are you able to lift your arms above your head? Are you able to lift your arms above your shoulders? All that jazz. So that's what we're really going into here is what do you have the capacity to do? Because remember, it's capacity by association. You have the capacity to do things by association. So if you can do that, we think you might be able to do a job doing that. If you can clean a house, then you can clean somebody else's house for money as a job 8 hours a day. All right, that's what that really means. All right. My name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll catch you a little bit later. 106 is next. Bye-bye.